So I bought this GPD Pocket. It arrived today, within a week. Came with a case, screen protector, micro HDMI cable, very handy, and a USB 3 to card reader, SD card, micro SD and triple USB 3. Comes in this nice little box. Apologies for being one-handed, got broken collarbone. A power supply, USB-C. I think this is US, I'm not sure. USB-C to USB-C cable, headphones, and this is it. I'll get it out. It's under here, instructions, and another screen protector. Nice case. And this is it. Let's get rid of this. Very small, very light. So it's got a USB-C, micro HDMI, headphones and USB 3, and that is it. Okay, so English, touchscreen,
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to United States. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Which language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout?
Hey.
Which keyboard layout do you want to add? Next up, the legal stuff. In short,
Yeah. This should be Windows 10
now let's
Home.
get you connected to a network. Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Great. Now, with an offline account, if you forget your password, the only way to retrieve it is with a hint, so make sure it's memorable. Hey, look! It's the me part of setup. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Yes.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select Accept when you're ready. Okay, that's the last step. We need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
£520. Don't know if you can see that. Move the focus down. Pretty quick to install there. And that was should be Windows Home, Windows 10 1703, Home. I'll upgrade this to Pro because I need remote desktop and manage the Hyper-V servers. So first view, unboxing, install, all looks good so far. Battery. What's this display? (1920 by 200), 175% scaling. If you can see that. So this is just out of the box, and I will have a play. Seems pretty responsive. Touchscreen's nice. Yeah, I'll have a play and get back to you. Thank you.